to
Starting New. What's up?
This is
New Eid.
Hi, my name is Dad and I'm the leader of this group.
Hello everyone, I'm Maki and I'm a vocalist and the main visual of this group.
Hello, I'm Nuid L and I'm the main vocal of this group.
Hi guys, I'm Wilson and I'm the vocalist and the performance leader of this group.
Yo, my name is Jong, I'm the main rapper, dancer of this group, and I'm the youngest.
Nice to meet you po.
Hello.
Okay, so for our first releases po, including ER, it's actually inspired by second generation K-pop. So, kumbaga kami yung nag-instrument for its revival. Tapos, for our single Ghost, it's about, it's a song that tells about one-sided love po. Pero for us, it has a different meaning. Kasi yung lyrics na, I'm not a ghost, baby, can't you see that I'm trying? Kumbaga, we want people to see us, see our worth, and not to just daan-daanan lang, see through us, kasi nga ghosts. Pero that's why, we're not a ghost. Kasi ayaw po namin na tinitingnan-tingnan lang nang hindi napapansin yung worth natin.
As of the moment po, yung mga past releases po namin and yung debut single po namin yan is medyo second gen K-pop po siya. Pero sa mga susunod po namin comebacks, medyo may iba na po siya since ang New Eid po talaga, it means new identity. So every comeback, iba po yung concept po namin. Pero ayun po, yung about naman po sa difference po namin sa other groups, ayaw po namin sana na sa amin po manggaling. Pero, ayun po, we're Korean trained po, so, ayun.
So, magiging edge po namin yung discipline na tinuro sa amin ng Korean mentors namin. In terms of dancing, singing, and overall, just living the discipline.
Okay.
I think what we're trying to achieve with our debut is to become a successful boy group and maybe also getting to collaborate with other P-pop idols. When I could name one, SB19 or Beanie, that would be very exciting for us. And I think the message we want to send to our supporters and to the people all around the world is to spread positivity, to share love to everyone, to be kind and to be understanding.
Kasi there was this one day po, na we were just sleeping, it was our rest day. Tapos,
morning.
It was morning, so everyone is sleeping. Tapos biglang nag-beep yung phones namin. You know when it rains po ng super hard, yun po yung ano. Tapos yung announcement, it was in Korean. So we were...
translate pa po namin.
translate namin.
Okay.
Tapos nung na-translate na po namin,
Parang war daw po, ganon.
North Korea was trying to send a missile that day to Seoul.
Daw po, daw.
Daw. Pero, fortunately, it didn't happen. Pero, ang funny story dun is...
Wait, kasi nakita natin, nag-check na po kami ng expo ng Twitter. Tapos ayun nga po, nagpapanik na po sila lahat. Tapos sabi po, go to the nearest basement, ganon. So, si Tad po at saka ako, nagpapanik na rin po kami. Tapos, itong tatlo po, tulog. Si Maki nahilig pa po.
Nahilig po.
Tapos si Tad, nagme-message na po siya sa parents niya na nagpapaalam na po siya na wala na, parang last day ko na ito sa mundong ito. Napaka-OA. Pagka-OA po talaga niya. Ang grabe pagka-OA. Pero, ayun po, nalaman po namin mga few minutes,
yeah.
It's a prank.
Parang false
alarm lang daw po.
Yes.
Pero nakapagpaalam na po siya sa parents niya. Parang nasabi na po ang huling hatiin.
But yes, we're still alive po.
Debut na. Naging writing process po nung The Day We Meet Again, yung producer po namin si Bullseye, nagbigay na po siya ng music and ng pinaka-melody, and parang all I have to do was like write na lang po yung lyrics. So what I did po, nag-brainstorm po kami ng mga gusto po namin, pinaka-message po namin sa fans and sa family. And then ayun po, nakasulat nga po kami and nakasulat po ako, and it was not perfect, pero nandun naman po si Bullseye para i-guide po ako. And ayan, may mga napalitan pong parts. Pero the whole song po, I tried na isulat naman po. So, ayun po, may mga napalitan po. Pero, ayun po, si Boss ay hindi naman niya po pinalitan yung mga lyrics ng siya lang po. So, andun pa rin po ako para, ayun po, para, bali ako lang po yung pag may di po siya in-approve, ako din po yung magpapalit. So, ayun po. It was fun naman po kasi, ayun po, para pong baby steps din po.
Yes.
Someday, sana buong New Age na po yung gagawa po ng music.
Hopefully.
Sana po.
Give it a choreo.
Siyempre po, nung una po, sobrang hirap po kasi nag-a-adjust din po kami sa bawat isa po kasi first time din po namin magkasama-sama, first time din po namin tumira sa Korea, first time po namin as a trainee, kaya yun po. Pero nakapag-adjust naman po kami.
Pero matagal din.
Oh, matagal din.
Matagal din.
Matagal din po yung pag-adjust namin pero naka-adjust naman po.
I think we can all agree na yung New 8 po is white. Kasi white is the most versatile color. For example, you wear white and then you wear any other bottom, babagay po, di ba? So that's what describes New 8 as a whole. Kahit ano pong pyesa iba to nyo sa amin, kahit ballad yan, kahit powerful dance song yan, kaya po namin ma-pull off kasi we're trained to do that po.
For me, Wilson. Because dream ko talaga maging matangkad. So yung since siya yung mas matangkad sa akin, pinakamatangkad sa group, gusto ko ma-experience yung height niya. Kung
Iba yung hangin sa taas.
Oo, baka iba kasi yung hangin sa taas. Kung ano yung nahihirapan siyang gawin, gano'n. And
Philippines.
For me, I think maybe L, because I want to know how it feels like to sing as good as him.
Si OA, pagaling mo din naman kakaling, napaka-OA mo.
I really want to be able to have the same abilities and skills like L.
Iiyak ako. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Ako po?
Yes.
Ako po si Maki. Kasi wala po siya talagang paki talaga sa mundo. Alam niyo po yung kunyari, minsan po hindi po natin may iwasan na makaread po ng mga hate comments. Parang ako po, parang idadamdamin ko po talaga. Si Maki, tatawanan niya po, wala siyang paki talaga. Gusto ko po yung ganun po yung feeling na wala po akong mafe-feel ganun. Pero kasi kilala naman po namin yung isa't isa. So, ayun po, gusto ko po si Maki maging kabal.
Ako naman po si Jong. Kasi magaling po siyang sumayaw at magaling din po mag-rap. Gusto ko po
siya. Gusto talaga yung
Ako si ano na lang, si Maki na lang po. Kasi pagising niya, fresh po agad siya eh. Hindi na niya kailangan mag-makeup. Tingnan niyo naman po pala.
Ano po yung pagising niya na yan?
Wala mo foundation yan. Ayun po.
So sinasabi mo ba na hindi kami fresh pa?
Pwede ka kami piliin ba tayo?
Alright, ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
much. Once again, this has been UE. Maraming salamat po.